Hello Witblox makers! Welcome to a new series Coding with WitPro, where we will learn how to use our WitPro blocks. In this part, we will learn how to download and install the WitPro software. WitPro software is the companion to use the WitPro blocks effectively, as the commands to run it will be created and sent from this software. Compared to traditional coding, WitPro coding is drag and drop based. So, instead of writing complicated code, all you need to do is drag and drop the blocks here. So, let's start with the installation. To download it, visit www.witpro.witblox.com. Here, click on Download Now. Choose your operating system. I will choose Windows. Then, click on Download. Select the location and click on Save. For installation, go to the Save folder of the WitPro software. Upon trying to open WitPro, you may encounter this warning. This happens because Windows restricts the installation of new software. To bypass this warning, click on More Info and then Run Anyway. Now the installation will happen. For users who are still unable to do the installation, right click on WitPro software and then Properties. Under Security, click on Unblock. Now proceed with the installation. Allow all permissions. For macOS, you can follow the guide mentioned in the website below. Once the installation is complete, open the WitPro software. Here we need to install the Arduino CLI drivers. This helps to detect the WitPro board when it is connected to your computer. To install it, just click on the install button as shown. This installs all the necessary drivers. Our WitPro software is now installed. In the next part, we will learn how to connect the WitPro to our computer.